Hey guys, Feroz Moto here, back with another video, and today we're going to be driving and reviewing this insanely looking car, ND Miata. This is a Gen 1 ND1 with a little secret under the hood being a HKS Supercharger. The owner Mo here is a little camera shy, but I'm here to answer all my questions. But this guy is meant for full attack. So this has a hard top, a lot of other goodies inside. You got a bucket, manual transmission, and everything you need to have a good time wheeling on the Miata. So I'm looking forward to giving it my best shot. Excuse my hair, it's probably a little crazy with the headset and everything, but we'll see what's going on. Looks like it has some Falken Azenis RT660s. Do you know how wide the wheels are and tires? So it's a 235 square setup on what type of wheel? Or how wide?
These are 17 by 9.
17 by 9 inch wheels, so pretty awesome. We got the Versus Engineering wing and some Aero and splitter, and we're going to see how we do in this little pocket rocket. Okay guys, we are sitting in the cockpit. Big difference is this is a hard mounted seat. Mo is around what, 6'3"? How tall are you, Mo?
6'2", yeah.
All right, he's 6'2" and I'm about 5'6". So there's a little differentiation in seat size, but we can make it work. I'm gonna have to just really extend my feet here to make this all work. But the shifter itself feels nice and notchy. Got some nice carbon bits here, and this is a nice small wheel. So I'm looking forward to see how it does out there. I'll let you guys know once I'm in and you know, out there on the road. Stay tuned. About to head out soon. Temps look about 190, which Mo told me is fine. I'm gonna try to speak up louder since I know in some of my videos you guys can't hear me that well. So we'll see how we do. Yeah, I'm gonna try to work my lat into the back of these seats so I can arc myself up a little forward, since there's just no way I can sit all the way back here and be comfortable driving this guy. But just gotta make sure we're doing the right thing here and have a good time. So we're gonna have 6 laps and then we'll come in and we'll talk about it. Yeah, I do YouTube, so trying to get some ride-alongs and stuff.
Yours?
Yeah, yeah, I have the M3. Oh,
is he driving your M3, the guy?
No, they just let me give it a bunch. Okay. I'm thinking of getting one of these, so. Yeah. All right, we're gonna head out momentarily. I really try to see where I'm going. It's gonna be freaking crazy, guys. I'm a little scared, to be honest, but I'm used to high horsepower, but not the short wheelbase, and obviously Miata, so we'll see. All right, second gear, gonna have this guy go. Wow, this thing's a little freaking go-kart. Oh man, I mean, my hands are so extended and I cannot see the apex, so we're just gonna see how we do. But the Supercharger gives you all the torque you really want. Rough rep match there, but car is still going. Yeah, this is insane. It's trying to kill me. It's nice that the car has these little pronounced little bumps to help me see where the tire is. Suspension's really tight. Not an issue there. Brakes are fine. Oh man, the blow off sounds crazy. I just, brake hard. Wow, the brakes are really good. Try to turn in here. Be careful on the throttle. Whoa, too much. Yeah, it's just hard to feel when the car's going because it's just too much. I mean, with the seat, I'm trying to chuck it in respectfully, not overwork these tires too much. Brake in and lift. Probably don't have to brake there, just lift and turn. That happy. I mean, I forget, this guy is not a ripper, a screamer, so gotta really stay within the RPM band. I think I'm just gonna stay in second for the sake of this. I think we're on lap 3, and see how it goes. Be respectful on throttle. And I think I'm in 5th. We'll coast here in second. mechanically it's fine. I figure out I'm starting to figure out the limit, but it's just this seating position's giving me a rough time. It's so easy to rotate, which is awesome. Whoa, gotta be really careful. I'm surprised with even so much grip, this car is really easy to let the rear loose, as I'm demonstrating here. But you can just chuck it in, it's so nice. Oh, that was my first heel toe. That was pretty decent. I'll take it. I think we're on lap 4. Don't want to chuck it too hard. Even with the Supercharged, I mean, I'm expecting to get my face ripped off, and it's just not the case. But it's interesting. Can't see what my right tires are. My hands are out straight. You gotta really still be smooth. I mean, driving is driving, so it's still a blast. Careful with throttle here. Shut in, take the turn. I think it's our last lap. Brake, turn in. Got to be careful and gradually work in with the grip on this thing. So ABS kicks in pretty fast. I don't know if it's just overworking the tire. And we'll cool it down, but oh man, what a car. I hope you guys had some fun watching me drive this, but man, it is I am surviving in here, not really driving, so it's tough. I mean, granted, really fun. Transmission felt great, did everything you kind of needed to do. The power, it just gives you that immediate torque that you just don't expect to Miata, so it kind of reminds you of on par of what Henry's BRZ felt like with that flat 4 engine kind of pushing out and everything. But overall it's fine. Temperature's got around 220, which is around where we want to pull it in, which is good. And I think we are okay, but yeah, it's difficult to really say. These cars still, I mean, the light feeling, everything, that heft, the switchbacks and rotations feel so nice since you just don't have a lot of weight to chuck in. But overall, I would just need a better seat to really get a grasp, because A, I can't really see over the steering wheel unless my head is up in the way. And then the power and everything to turn is just, it's kind of difficult. I mean, it's a lot of driver excuses, but I think it's extremely valid for this circumstance. I'm just glad we kept it on the road, on safe. This is quite a crazy fast car, I'm sure, in the right hands. Also with me not being in this track, knowing too much knowledge, but I can't complain. So really, really cool. I want to say thank you so much again to Mo for giving me the opportunity to drive this guy. And if you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Feroz Moto out.